When you're presenting a large data set, it's easy for the important numbers to get lost in the grid. You want immediate results when someone interacts with your data. You want something that guides the eye right where it needs to go without filtering or hiding important stuff. In this video, we're going to build a dynamic highlighting rule. It's a clean, professional way to make your spreadsheets more readable and user-friendly when people are viewing your reports. So let's build it out. How do we create this where we highlight the cells? I'm going to select the cells that I want highlighted and go under conditional formatting, home conditional formatting. We're going to create a new rule. And we use a formula to determine which cells to format. So here we want to highlight this range of cells based on the formula here. And this is where we're going to have this cell. I'll just select this cell equal to whatever I pick here in J1. That's fine having this absolute cell value, the $ in front of the J and $ in front of the 1. But for this one, I want it to be only on the column. The $ is only on the columns. So it keeps that reference just to column A. But I don't need it here for row 2. So when it does a comparison of the other columns to this, it will see if that's true or false. Now the formatting, I'm going to click on the format here, and I'm just going to fill this with yellow. Click OK, click OK. Since there's nothing here, there's nothing highlighted. But if I put item 1 here, press enter, you'll see that it's highlighted. And if I change this to item 5, you'll see 5 is highlighted. Let's make this a little bit easier. Make it a drop-down. Go under data, go under data validation, click on allow for a list. And for my source, I'm just going to select this range of data, click OK, and now I have my drop-down. If I select on anything here, it highlights that row. Let's do the same for month. Select my range here, go under home, conditional formatting, new rule, use the formula. Here I'll initially select B1. Where does it equal? It'll equal to this cell value J2. Again, we're not going to adjust J2 because the $ in front of the J and the 2 is fine because I want that to be static. But here I want it to be a little more dynamic. I'm going to delete the $ in front of the B because I wanted to look for B1, C1, and etc. So the $ in front of the 1 is okay, not the B. Click on format, cell color is yellow, click OK, and if I type in Jan, press enter, you'll see that that's highlighted. And let's do the same thing for our drop down here. Go under data, go to text validation, data validation, list, and my source. I'm going to select my range here from B1 to G1, put that in there for me, click OK. And now when I select maybe April, you'll see that it's taken that. And bonus, what if we don't want this highlighted? What if we just want that single cell highlighted? Let's do that. Go under home, conditional formatting. Let's clear the rules from the entire sheet. Let's just have that cell highlighted. So again, I select my range of cells here, go into conditional formatting, go under new rule, use formula. And here I need to have a formula that shows that 2 things are true. So initially where that column value equals to J1 and the row here equals to J2, I have to put that into the formula, and that gets wrapped around an AND function. So I'll type equals AND, open parentheses. So two things have to be true. This value equals to this value. Again, $ does not need to be in front of the 2, comma. So these 2 things need to be true. That needs to be true, and I'm going to select this cell here, equals to that. Again, the $ in front of the 1, but not in front of the B. Delete that. Close parentheses. My format, let's make that yellow again. Click OK, click OK. And now you see that selection. Let's select another item and another month. And now it's highlighted that specific cell. So now you have a dynamic table that highlights exactly what you need. But sometimes highlighting isn't enough. You need to actually pull that specific data out into a separate report and calculate totals based on that selection. If you want to take this a step further, I've got another video link in the description below on how to use the filter function to automatically extract rows based on a drop-down list. It pairs perfectly with what we just built. Click right there, and I'll see you in the next one.